In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add chop zone indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the chop zone indicator set up on your charts and ready to use in your trading. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is visible on the screen, look toward the top of the chart area for the indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might say Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, but it will usually be near the upper toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on that. When you click Indicators, a new window or panel will pop up. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in and community scripts. At the top of this panel, you'll see several tabs. Next, you want to click on the tab labeled Technicals. This is where most of the commonly used technical indicators and tools are grouped, which makes it easier to find what you're looking for. After you're in the Technicals section, you'll notice a search bar near the top of the panel. This is the fastest way to get to the exact indicator you want. Instead of scrolling through a long list, click inside the search bar so your cursor is active, and then type in chop zone. Be sure to spell it correctly, because TradingView will only show results that match what you type. Once you've entered chop zone into the search field, you should see chop zone appear in the results list below. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct indicator. If there are multiple versions, you'll typically see the author name or a short description next to each one. When you've found the chop zone indicator you want to use, simply click on it. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically apply it to your current chart. You should now see the chop zone indicator displayed either as an overlay on your price chart or in a separate pane underneath, depending on how it's designed. From here, you can customize it by hovering over its name on the chart, opening the settings and adjusting things like colors, visibility, or inputs to match your trading style. If you haven't already signed up for TradingView Pro, make sure to use the link in my description to get started. That's it for this quick guide on adding chop zone indicators to TradingView Pro.